Pigs are out down here. Yeah. This they love.
So, right like that. Popular, John, look 'em up. Oh. Just bring out that thing a little bit, John. Oh, no. Just bring them before you know how.
What do you mean?
That's out a little bit. Bring it down.
There we go. Okay.
Can you bring them a little bit more out though? A little bit. Like that.
Oh yeah. Yes.
Right, like that, John.
So it's corn, barley, and oats.
So it's just stuck in here, and you let it fill with water.
Nope, it's just the grains in here. I'll drill
Okay.
holes along here.
Uh-huh.
As they roll it around, it slowly comes out of the holes.
Okay.
So for 2 weeks, it slowly drops bits of grain around here.
Ah,
Like I poured some out yesterday, it's gone now.
okay. I see.
So they're going to learn, as long as I keep pushing this around, it'll keep feeding them.
Right.
And that's why there's a big T-post there.
And they trigger the back here.
Oh, you know what, John? No need that.
I just throw it down on the ground, yeah? Sure.
Oh, sweet feet. I'm coming tonight. Oh yeah, you got a big chain on there. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Pig
Put a
field.
little, I can open it, fill it again. So, yep.
Hey, let me think. Where you got that? YouTube. Oh yeah. YouTube.
YouTube, pig bait.
Huh?
It's simple, you know?
Oh shit, it's
It's
simple.
good together.
Yeah.
And so that one is capped at the end, and then this one
Where
I
the
can
food
clean
come
out.
out? Where the food?
I drill all these holes.
Oh, right here. Oh, yeah.
All the
You
way
can
through.
smell 'em.
There's
Yeah.
holes there. So as you roll it,
Yeah,
little
I
bits come
see
out.
'em. I see 'em.
Right? So they'll, soon they'll learn.
John, at least
rolling.
give 'em more bits, man.